insurance in general. So like
in general.
again, it depends on what type of insurance. Let's say I don't know. So like let's say health insurance, maybe. Yeah, it depends how much money you have. You know, like if you have very little amount of money, then maybe insurance can save you from a big hospital bill. If you are like a well-off, maybe like and a healthy person, so maybe insurance doesn't make a lot of sense. Yeah, so it depends on your life situation. It depends on how much this insurance costs and what kind of risks are involved. Let's say you need to find maybe the really good type of insurance. Let's say there are like hospitals here offering you insurance like from the hospital. Yeah, so you pay, I don't know, $500 one time a year. Yeah, and you insured. You can only use services of this hospital, but then so it's, for example, much cheaper insurance than if you go, let's say, to Allianz in Indonesia, and they will sell you insurance which costs you, I don't know, $200-300 a month. You know, so but because one is a general insurance which works maybe in other countries as well. But if you live in Bali and you want cheap insurance, but a good one, maybe you need to take. No, it depends case by case and depends. Let's say if you have a car for worth $100,000, maybe insurance makes sense. If you have a car worth $5,000, maybe it doesn't. Yeah, so it depends case by case. Yeah, so. But in generally, no, kind of like generally speaking, I find insurances kind of like, not a good or productive thing. Like kind of like, it's one of the parasites of capitalistic system. So it's not adding any value to. It's just like mitigate risks. You will say, just let's say here. So. Yeah. So again, insurances.
I really want to ask a question on health insurance.
Yes.
Because I'm 76 years old, and I live half my life traveling throughout the world. Or sometimes, like this year, I've been traveling since April of last year.
Yeah.
So, and I do have insurance in America, but I would like to still know more about this insurance in Bali. Of a particular hospital that you might recommend.
Yes. Siloam Hospital. Siloam Hospital. It's a hospital chain. Also they're like they have branches in all of Indonesia. Again, I think it's the best hospital in Bali. Yeah, and they offering basically in-house insurance. Yeah, in-house insurance.
Well, that's what I'm interested in.
So yes, and the insurance is it's a flat fee.
Right.
It's you pay $500 a year, and you're insured for all, even like, I don't know, cancer treatment, but they have a cap, also maximum amount they will give you services for. Let's say they say it's cancer treatment included, but till 100,000 or whatever. But their rates are very low. It's not American insurances where they say, oh yeah, like we did you a plaster here, so $100.
What is the name of the?
I will give you. Yeah.
And also, is the quality of the?
The quality is amazing. Again, like 3 of my kids have been born in this hospital, so I like it, and I believe this is. I know dollar billionaires, friends of mine, who are using it as their go-to hospital. It's the best one in Bali. No, let's say, but if you can afford to fly to Singapore, you will get better healthcare. I mean, it just depends. Yeah, so depends on the treatment and on severity or on the bill. But again, in Bali, you will get nothing better than that. That's all.
Thank you very much.